up guys? So we are back with another video, and today we're going to be, I'm going to be showing you how to remove tattoos off rappers. Yo, sorry I forgot to say this in the video, but what you want to, like, for the website, I'll put the screenshot like somewhere on the screen, you'll see it. It's called Photopea. It's like a it's pretty much a free version of Photoshop. Like, I use it sometimes, not a lot, but you know, because when I edit thumbnails I use a different website. Yeah, go check it out for the PC people that are trying to do those type of videos or whatever you're trying to do. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. So what you want to do is you want to get an image of your rapper. Yeah, I'll say Trippie Redd. We just did him a little bit ago. Alright, so I hid my webcam because I had to show you, because it was blocking where I had to show you. So you go to this healing brush tool, and if you right click on it, you can see the different, you know, whatever you can do, like with these little arrows, like same with these. But you want to go to this one, and you want to click on the spot healing brush tool, and then it's hard to see the cursor, but you can see like the little outline part, and then you just go over the tattoo and boom, just removes it. And it's like, if it glitches out or something a little bit, then you know, just keep going over it, or like redo it, and then like see, like over here, like if you go over here a little bit, it's gonna like have a little glitch spot, kind of see that. You can either go over it again like that, or redo that and then just go over it carefully. And you can make the cursor like smaller or bigger, whatever, you can customize that. Alright, that didn't work, but here, let me show you guys. Make it a little smaller. And you can zoom in using another tool, but right now I'm just doing this real quick. So yeah, that's if you want to do it like exactly or perfectly, but that's pretty much how you do it. And like in my other video, my removing tattoos off Trippie Redd, you know, there was the tattoos, like they kind of still stuck out a little bit. That was like the best I could do. Like, I kept going over it, I kept, you know, outlining it perfectly. I don't know, it just wasn't working. But yeah, for most of the time it'll like remove the tattoo pretty good, just like how I just did right there. But that's pretty much how you do it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something new. Yeah, I hope this was helpful to anyone out there that has been trying to figure this out. Love you guys, peace.
Trying to forget, I can't forget. Still got your makeup on my sweater, and I know that it's all over, but memories